Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GuitarTuna app. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about GuitarTuna. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about GuitarTuna here. And then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again in this page. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.